Hello students, welcome to Deepak Zade's YouTube channel. In this video lecture we'll solve problems of projections of lines. In previous videos we solved problems of projections of lines. I think two problems were done. In very first lecture we discussed about projections of points, which was very important. In second video we discussed projections of lines inclined to both the reference plane, all basic concepts, right? Let's go through that video. Now this problem was asked in Mumbai University in December 2024 for 9 marks. What is given? Data what is given you have to identify carefully, right? One end A of line AB is 15 mm above HP. Any point is located above HP, front view will get where? Above XY line. That means first data represents what? Distance of end A from HP. How much? 15 mm. That means A dash where will get? 15 mm above XY. Point is located above HP, front view here will get above XY line. Point is located below HP, front view here below XY line. Point is located in front of VP, top view below XY line. Point is located behind VP, top view above XY line. 25 mm in front of VP means top view where? 25 mm below XY. The front view of line measures 60 mm, means front view length is given. Front view length is written as what? Elevation length, because elevation means front view रहता है. Elevation length is how much? 60 mm. And incline at 50 degree to XY. What is incline at 50 degree to XY? Front view length means what? Elevation length. इसे तो फाइनल फ्रंट व्यू है, राइट? इंक्लिनेशन ऑफ फ्रंट व्यू ऑफ लाइन इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय एंगल अल्फा. इंक्लाइन एट 50 डिग्रीज टू XY. ड्रॉ प्रोजेक्शंस ऑफ द लाइन एंड फाइंड इट्स इंक्लिनेशंस with HP and VP if true length of line is 75 mm. What is given? True length is also given. As you know, how many data are required for solution of problem? 5 data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 data are given. How will start? Whenever position of one end is given, we'll always start from this step. First will represent what? Position of this end. A dash किधर है? 15 mm above XY. Say this one distance is what? 15 millimeter, right? Which point? A dash. 25 mm below XY, top view will represent small letter without dash. This is what? 25. Once will represent front view and top view of end. Will draw horizontal line passing through front view and top view of this point. What is the use of this line drawn from A dash? Later on will represent what? Elevation length here. ये जो लाइन है will represent what? Plan length, because ये top view है तो कौन सा लेंथ आना चाहिए? Top view length means what? Plan length. ये front view है means here what will represent? Elevation length. This one we are done. Now elevation length is what? 60 mm. EL will represent here. This is your EL, elevation length. How much it is given? 60 mm. What is the name of end point? That is what? B2 dash. This one is done. Now alpha is 50 degree. See, using alpha what will get? Front view. Normally what will do? Elevation length will find out from true length and phi, and then we'll rotate EL through angle alpha. That means through angle alpha, if we'll rotate, angle is given as what? 50 degrees. So I'll take here 50 degree angle. 50 degree comes out to be here, right? Now we'll draw a line which is inclined at an angle of 50, and ये जो EL है, this one will rotate, right? ये rotate किया है, ये आ रहा है ना? हाँ आ रहा है, okay. तो ये जो आ गया है, this one is front view. EL if will rotate will get what? front view of line, ये front view, what angle will get here? This angle is what? Angle alpha. Name of this point is what? B dash. नहीं दिख रहा है? Here I will write. ये क्या है? B dash. Horizontal line passing through B dash is called as what? Locus line, and is locus of A and B in front view, means locus of B dash. Up to this step any problem? Clear? You go, EL we have taken, right? ये done. Alpha also we have taken. A dash A done. अभी true length is remaining. You know locus of A and B in front view. That means easily B1 dash point must be on same horizontal line. True length is 75 mm. What we'll do? We'll take true length in compass. A dash at center. Listen carefully. True length in compass. A dash at center. We'll draw arc where? Arc on locus of B dash. So here if I draw arc, name of point is what? B1 dash. Join A dash to B1 dash. This length you have already taken in compass as a true length 75 mm. That means it represents what? True length. And you know कि true length जो रहता है is always inclined at what angle? Theta. Means we'll get what? First answer. What is asking problem? Find its inclination with HP and VP. So what we are getting first answer as angle theta. Now next part. If you know true length inclined at an angle of theta, if we'll project it, if we'll project true length inclined at theta, if we'll project up toward horizontal line passing through A. So what point we'll get here is what? Your B1 dash A, that means this point is what? B1. Which length will get here? Which length will get? Plan length. Plan length, if you rotate, you must get what? Top view of line. For that one, you know कि front view and top view of point always lies on same vertical line. That means from B dash, we'll draw vertical projector. On this line, you must get what? Top view of end B. Rotate this plan length about point A so that point of intersection what will get represents point B. That means we are getting which view? This is what? Top view. Top view is inclined at what angle? Beta. Means projections of line is done. Meaning of projection of line means what? Draw final front view and top view. But this one is remaining inclination with HP हो गया with VP. You know B means horizontal line from B represents what? Locus of B. This is what? Locus. Locus of which end? Locus of end B in top view. Locus of B. True length already you know 75 mm. We'll take this true length in compass A at center. We'll draw arc. Name of point is what? B2. Join point A to B2. We'll get what? A true length you have taken in compass. What we'll find out here? Angle phi. Clear? Problem is done. I'll repeat again, right? A dash and A was given. The first we represented A dash and A. Two datas, right? Always try to insert all given data in solution. Initial steps. A dash हो गया. Then elevation length EL were represented. उसका एंगल दिया था. अल्फा मीन्स इंक्लिनेशन ऑफ फ्रंट व्यू ऑफ लाइन. मीन्स EL रोटेट किया. EL रोटेट किया, right? Through what? Through this angle alpha. Even for B2, what we'll do? B2 dash and B2 lies on same vertical line. So without representing true length, this one also you can do it like this. B2 dash पता है तो B2 आराम से मिल जाएगा. Then what we have done? We have taken true length in compass, right? And we have drawn arc on locus of B dash. B1 dash and B1 lies on same vertical line. True length theta is known. Projected क्या मिल गया? Plan length, rotate plan length. But up to what? Already B dash you know. तो बी डैश एंड बी लाइज ऑन सेम वर्टिकल लाइन, पी एल इफ विल रोटेट, पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन मिल गया, क्या मिल गया, पॉइंट बी. देन लोकस ऑफ एंड बी इन टॉप व्यू मीन्स विल ड्रॉ हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन फ्रॉम टॉप व्यू ऑफ एंड बी, क्या मिल गया, लोकस लाइन. Then B2 dash and B2, so you can join directly, you can project it, or you take true length in compass A at center, you must get what, same location. Clear? Simple है. Means important क्या था, most important, ये अगर ध्यान में रहेगा ना, then we will never fail to solve any problem of line. True length and theta is known, project it, what will get plan length, rotate it, what will get top view. True length and phi is known, project it, what will get EL, rotate, what will get front view. Check करो, true length is given theta, project it, क्या मिल गया, PL, rotate it, top view. True length and phi is known, project it, what will get EL, rotate it, क्या मिल गया, front view. Clear? Okay. Thank you.